tell me just few lines about paternal side of the family, means father side of the family.
So, sir, I belong to a extended family. So there are my grandparents also there, and my mother. And I have two siblings, my brother and my sister. So, sir, uh, my mother is a housewife, homemaker,
Okay.
and my brother is studying in third. So, and my grandfather is a retired man.
A retired mechanic.
Oh, he's a mechanical engineer when he was.
So he was a mechanical engineer. Now he's retired. Okay.
Now he's retired.
Oh, he has retired.
Mm.
Sorry.
And my grandmother was a uh,
Grandmother. Grandmother. Yes.
grandmother was a she's very ill nowadays, so
She.
she only lives in his room, in her room,
Her room.
and she was sitting and he can't do many things. That is something about my family.
Okay. Actually, you didn't talk about your paternal side a lot, but let it be. Do you have any siblings? Or not siblings, sorry. Do you have any cousin? Tell me about your cousin.
So I don't have any cousins.
You don't have any cousin.
No, I.
Are you sure?
So I have one cousin. He's a very small,
Tell me about him.
newborn.
Little bit.
So I don't meet him.
Yeah, I have
Don't
a
meet him.
beautiful cousin named Irfan. He's just 1 year old. So he, whenever I go to meet him, he's crying or throwing tantrum all the time. So yes, Farhan, and inshallah in the future he will be a good person.
Okay, sir.
Something like that. You don't need to describe all the
So
things.